Good afternoon, everyone. I am Maribel Macalisang, and today I will be teaching you on how to make an Ethernet cable. So this is the Ethernet cable. This is used in creating home and business network, and also used to connect your router to your PC or your laptop. So what are the materials needed in making an Ethernet cable? First, we have the UTP cable, the RG45, the scissor, the tester, the crimping tools. Now, let's begin. First is you have to add your UTP cable and your crimping tools. You have to turn it around 360 degrees and pull. Then you have to first remove the unnecessary parts. Cut it with your scissor. And twist and straighten each part. So after you straighten the part, you have to arrange it with specific order using the standard cabling procedure, which is the T568A. Arrange it. First, you have to add the white orange, the orange, the white green, blue, the white blue, green, the white brown, and the brown. Make sure that you straighten it properly. Cut it 1 inch using your crimping tools. Then you have the RG45. Insert the wires to your RG45. Push it properly. Then get your crimping tools. Insert your RG45 to your crimping tools. And then crimp. That's it. You have your finished product. After you have this, test your product if it's working or not. You have your tester, insert, and then turn it on. So here you go. You already have your Ethernet cable that is very useful for you in your work. Thank you.